What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today it's another work vlog, and it's actually Halloween while I'm recording this, but I don't really, like I said, I only upload my videos when I can. It's not weekly or daily, and I'm having a bit of a problem with uploading one of my videos, so I'm having a problem with that DHU over there. For some reason it's not turning on. I have all the wires, and I'm gonna, once supervisor gets here, and then there's another manager that helps me as well, and I also know a few guys who used to work here. They don't work here anymore. I still talk to them on the phone. I'm gonna also text them and see if they know anything. Maybe I did something wrong. Everything looks like it's on there correctly, but I guess I'll figure it out today. If you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clay Clay, and I have functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. So everything in here is incorrectly, but I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna put just one screw back on there just so it doesn't, nothing comes out of the machine. And I'm gonna take apart the screen and see if maybe I just forgot to plug the screen all the way in. Yeah, everything I think is on here correctly. Wait a minute, looks like I might be missing one wire. Alright, so I think I got everything sorted out to where it would work. Turns out I just needed another DHU just to look at it. Maybe I didn't have them on correctly as I thought. Hoping that I did this time. All the wires are in place. I'm going to do a thorough relook when I get done. Right now I'm actually about to go on my lunch break. Because I don't want to test it while I'm on my break in case something happens. This one will probably be next to get fixed because, as you can see, we have some burnt wires here. I'm really hoping that I don't mess up with the cramping of these things right here, because I had that problem when I was doing this, and because of that I've had to throw several of these away. And even though I know it's not my fault, you know what happens. That means more money to be spent, which kind of messes up the purpose of my job, which is to make sure these are fixed, because these aren't because these obviously cost a lot of money. So the purpose of me, so it's basically so we don't have to spend money on these new machines, because these kind of mess up real easily. You know, you learn some things every day. It looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of reorganizing again, because the pile's starting to get big. I don't want to go through that again. I've also learned something new about these fans right here. I think I said that in a previous vlog. Sometimes the bolts on the bottom of these get loose, so I have to find a way to get the holes back in place so I can put the bolts in, and so I can, because obviously when they come loose, the motor comes loose when the bolts come off, and it's causing the fan to rub up more than it should, and so, but now I've learned that I can just take this bottom part and hold the blade and get the motor in its regular position. So that's actually pretty good. And as you guys know, I've been working full time now, and even though I might not necessarily have to, I kind of like it now. Working part time, as I said, was pretty good, because obviously one advantage of that is I won't have to spend the whole day at work. I can go home during the afternoon and relax and rest, but I am making more money, and with my job it can be kind of, when I'm held up on stuff like this, when I was working part-time, I had a little less time to figure it out, but now that I'm working full-time, I can be a bit more flexible, because I have a few odd jobs that I do as well. And like if I need to calm down or cool down, I have a bit more time to do that as well. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish things up here. I think I might actually, you know what, I'm gonna real quickly put this back together and see if I can get it to run, because I think I have everything on here. I'm gonna do a quick thorough inspection and see if I got everything on the right way. Still nothing. You know what? I'm done. I'm just gonna put this aside and see if I can figure out what the problem is, because until I get another one, because like I said, this is holding me off from all these other DQs. I'm trying to focus on them right now. Still nothing. You know what? I'm done. I'm just gonna put this aside and see if I can figure out what the problem is, because until I get another one, because like I said, this is holding me off from all these other DQs. I'm trying to focus on them right now before I fix these fans, because these are the main priority. And I'm not gonna, I waste the whole time yesterday figuring out what the problem is, and I'm not gonna be doing that the whole rest of my shift. So I'm just gonna put this to the side and get this one, and then possibly go ahead and take this one, just pop it on the shelf so it'll be ready, and then I will try to have a go at this one and at least have it halfway done before my shift ends. Alright, so lunch is done. I'm gonna just continue and work on this one now, and hopefully I can get it to work. I might replace this one just to be on the safe side. I don't know. Oh yeah, this definitely I'll need to cut the wire off and crimp another one on here. I think that's about it. This one here and this one there. Don't think I'll record this part because it'll probably take a while. Yep. So everything is good on this one. I'm gonna let it run for a minute. It's blowing a little bit of cold air. I'm gonna let it run until probably the end of my shift, since it's about 1:51 now and I get off at 4. I'm gonna see if I can get on with the other things. I'll probably wait on that one because Um, got some other things I gotta get done, so yep. So I found this Holmes fan in the garbage. Hopefully it works. If not, I'll just have to put it back in the trash can, but it's another trash find. I'm really hoping that it works though. That'd be nice. I just talked to one of the managers about there's a vacuum or fan that, because sometimes if you get so much as one scratch on one of the customer's things, they'll want it replaced. And I think that's ridiculous, especially a household item like this. I've seen a lot of videos of vacuums that people find in the trash that all it is a clog. That's why I want to try and rescue him, kind of like what Intelitech Studios does. Shout out to him. But because if it's not working, what I might do is sell it for parts or part it out, because I have another fan just like it. So there you go. Alright, so I'm letting this one right now is drying, and then it's going to shut itself off. Just hit the power button, and then I'm going to put it back on the shelf. It's good to go. And I'm going to do a video of this box fan that I found in the trash. Don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I have one just, probably going to fix this one and then give it away, since I have one just like it. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and end this short YouTube video. I hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye guys!